Hello, very good morning all. And today is 9th February, and now the Times of India's Delhi edition is front of me. And in this session, I am going to read this article. And in this article, because this article is very important, it's about DNA database and how to they will keep the record of unidentified bodies. Like if there are lots of bodies found and where people are not well, government can't identify these people, so they had to maintain a DNA database. So that's why we will read this news. We will not go no further, we will just read a few important things from this, and later on now we have completed our 99 subscriber in this feed until I am recording this video. So just I'm waiting to get more subscriber and to so I you can do this by sharing this channel, attend more and more people, so as that you will get more crowd on this channel, then I will be able to help more people and I will be able to read for the more people, and it will give me a motivation that I am able to cover a large number of population. So now let's start for this article. So it's not just another number. So it's not like in the DNA database matter. So it's not a simply a number. DNA database to help uh, keep track of unidentified bodies. So now by the DNA database, it will be help to keeping a record of unidentified bodies, like if a person has died and government hospitals have a body, so they will put in the mortuary and they will keep the DNA of that person, but later families come there, so by identity matching the DNAs, it will be able to identify that identity of that person very easily. So now there is a giving a name to the unknown. So now those bodies, those person which are unknown, by keeping this, it will be helpful to giving the name to identify those person. What is so here is it is explained. So what are these unclaimed and unidentified bodies? So it refers to those bodies of a person who dies in a hospital, prison, or public place, and which has not been claimed by any near relative or personal friends within 48 hours. Usually, these bodies are disposed of by the police after 72 hours of the death. So, what happened whenever a person who dies in the hospital, either in a prison or at a public place, but within the 48 hours, no personal friend or near relatives comes to claim that that person belongs to my family, that person is my friend. So in this case, what government do? What uh, the process is but declare them unclaimed and unidentified bodies, and after the 72 hours, just they have to dispose these bodies. The burden of such cases are now, according to National Crime Records Bureau data, shows that there were 1,08,628 unidentified bodies were found during 2013 to 2015 across India. So this 2 year of the time, if we will take the average, so 36,209 bodies were when claimed unidentified in every year of this time. So during this period of time, every year around 36,219 bodies were which were unclaimed or unidentified every period of time. Now, so in during the Delhi 2015 to 20, in the period of 5 years, around 21,900 unidentified bodies were recovered. So it's the average of year. This amount was 4,380, and in AIMS in Delhi conducts close to 17,000 autopsies in even a year, and of them doctor says that 15% cases are of unidentified bodies. So one of these cases, AIMS has been done the autopsies on over these bodies, and 15 were for identified bodies. So now how this DNA will profiling help? So what will happen now? AIMS and ICMR, they have started a pilot project. A pilot project is like that project will be for the short time. Visual characteristic and so like under this detail related to physical appearance, height, complexion, hair color, visual characteristic, photo, description of clothes, tattoos, and other information about unidentified bodies autopsied at the institutes are collected and put up on a website. Families can access this information on the website to ascertain if the body is their kin who had been missing. So now, AIMS and what will they will do? They will put all these type of information of a person over a website, and so that the family or the kin of that person, like someone, sometimes they are missing and people can't find them. Might be they had have been died. So in this way, people will be able to access the information by visiting the website. Now, it is a five-step process. How will it will work? In a step first, search through the database to identify your loved ones. So step one, you can search through the database, and step two, if you feel the phenotypic details mentioned match that of your case, you can approach the local police or the hospital. Your saliva or blood sample will be required to match with the DNA of the unclaimed body. So first you will visit the database and you find that it can be your loved ones, it can be your family member. So after that, now you will have to visit the nearest police station for the DNA test. And so now, if DNA profile will match, so if after that DNA profile will match, then you will have to fill a claimant form, and in that form you will also have to provide few proofs. After that, you can approach to AIMS or any police station near you to ascertain the body. So it will be the five-step process which AIMS and ICMR have approached. So in this way, might be lots of people will be able to find the people. So now it was all in this video. This was a little video where I have read this article. I will make further video where we will read editorial from other newspaper. I am just